Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Basic 7, Google Earth Image. This video illustrates A. Working with Google Earth. B. Convert latitude, longitude to state plane coordinates. C. Insert image into drawing. D. Align and scale image. And E. Image fade settings. At times, it is desirable to insert a background Google Earth image into a drawing. Minimize drawing and open Google Earth. Google Earth Pro is a free program that can be downloaded from an internet browser. For the purpose of this video, an area located in Lavaca, Arkansas is used. Search Lavaca, Arkansas. Pan and zoom to the desired extent of the image shown on the monitor. The image should extend well beyond the desired limits of the project. Pick the image date at the lower left corner. Use the date slider in the upper left corner to select the desired image date. Use the latest date with minimal tree foliage, December through March. It is generally desired to have a minimum amount of image data shown. View tab. Only the toolbar, sidebar, and historical image should be checked. Remove checkmark in other objects. Tool tabs. Remove checkmark from all objects. Options. 3D view tab. Texture colors. True color. Compress. Show latitude, longitude. Select decimal degrees. Units of measure. Feet, miles. OK. In the sidebar, close Lavaca. All layer options should be turned off. 2 placemark pins are generally added to the image that are a significant distance beyond the limits of the desired image size to be shown in the published drawing. These pins will be used to locate the image onto the drawing at the desired scale and orientation. Generally, one pin is placed near the lower left corner of the image and the other near the upper right corner. First pin. Pick the pen icon, move in the vicinity of the lower left corner, and pick. It does not matter the exact location, but only that the pins be a significant distance apart from each other. Pen style. Use a default pen style. The pinpoint can easily be picked for the location of the coordinate. Name, enter 0.1. Highlight the name, and Control C to copy. Minimize, open Notepad, Control V to paste the name, maximize Google Earth, copy the latitude, Control C, display the Notepad, enter, Control V, latitude, LAT, copy the longitude, Control C in Notepad, Control V to paste, and enter LONG. OK to save and close the dialog box. Repeat for point 2, pin, name, point 2, Notepad, enter point 2, highlight the longitude, Control C, in the Notepad, Control V, LAT, copy the longitude, Control C, Notepad, Control V, longitude. OK. It is greatly desired to have the image with the y-axis north up and with the z-axis vertically with no tilt. Select View tab, Reset, Tilt and Compass. Save the Google Earth image. Select the Save Image icon. Map options. It is generally desired to create an image without any other objects. Remove check mark for title and description, legend, scale, and compass. Scaling should be 100%. Resolution should be maximum 4800 by 2897. Save image. Save as type JPG. Select the folder. Civil 3D Projects. Client name is Tutorial Working Folder. John Doe. ABC Road Improvement is the project. And it's good to have a folder called Images. Since there is not currently an image folder, and an image folder cannot be created at this time, save the image file in the John Doe folder, create an image folder at some later date, and move the image file to the image folder at that time. File name, type in Google Earth Image. Save. Close Google Earth. Save the notepad. File. Save as. Again, in data. Civil 3D Projects. Tutorial Working Folder. John Doe 2021. ABC Road. Temp. And the name. Google Earth Image Coordinates. Which would also probably be saved in the image folder. Save. Convert the latitude, longitude, degree coordinates to state plane northern and eastern coordinates. Open Internet browser. Enter the URL www.earthpoint.us. Enter. Adjust size of browser to display the notepad. Convert latitude and longitude to state planes. Use the down arrow and select the appropriate state and zone from a drop list. Arkansas North. Determine the state plane coordinate for point 1. Copy and paste the latitude. Control-C. Control-V. Copy and paste the longitude. Control-C. Control-V. And depress calc. 2 X and Y state plane coordinates are shown for feet. The U.S. survey feet, where 1 meter equals 39.37 inches, or 12.7 kilometers equal 499,999 inches, or the international foot, where 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, or 12.7 kilometers equals 500,000 inches. Use the appropriate coordinate. International foot should be used after January 2023. Copy and paste the latitude north coordinate and the longitude east coordinate to notepad. Control-C, Control-V. Put some spaces between the number and the letters. Repeat for point 2. Control-C, Control-V, Control-C, Control-V, count. Control-C, Control-V, enter. And save the notepad. Save. Close browser. Maximize a drawing. Ensure drawing is in world coordinates. The UCS icon is shown to be in world coordinates. If not, UCS, enter, down arrow, select world. Adjust size of drawing and note so that both are visible. Create and label point 1 in drawing, P-O, and select point from drop list. Pick a point anywhere in drawing, P-D-S-I-Z-E. To change the point size, enter 100, enter. Change point position, pick the point. Current point position is shown in Properties palette. Pick the point 1 eastern coordinate. or the X value, Control C. Highlight the position X value, Control V. Select the northern coordinate, Control C. In Properties palette, highlight the value, Control V, and enter. Zoom extents, Z, E, enter. Pick the point, and the position of the point is correct. Enter a text for the point, T-E-X-T, enter. Pick a point to enter the text. Height, enter 100, enter. Direction, 0, enter. Point 1, PT1, enter. Repeat for point 2, PO, point. Pick an arbitrary point. Pick the point. In Notepad, highlight the easting. Control C. Position X. Control V. Enter. Highlight the northern. Control C. Highlight Y. Control V. Enter. ZE to zoom extents. Place label on point 2. CO. Enter. Copy the point 1 label. Move it to point 2. Escape. Change the label. 2. Enter. Pick the point. Position X and position Y are correct. Maximize the drawing. Set current drawing layer to photo. This is done so that the image that will be inserted will be on layer photo. Insert Google image into drawing. Raster tools. Insert in right panel. Insert. Browse to the location of the folder. In Drawings, Civil 3D Products, Tutorial Working Folder, John Doe, ABC Road Improvement. Pick the image. Open. In the dialog box, Next. Insertion point initially leave at 0, 0. Rotation 0. Scale 100. Or as desired. Density leave at 96 by 96. Image units, feet. Apply. Next. Select pick. Pick approximate location to insert the image. Enter. Enter. Finish. Align and scale image. AL. Enter to start the align command. Pick the image frame. Enter. First source point. Zoom in to the pinpoint and pick. First destination point. We'll snap on. Pick point 1. Second source point. Zoom in and pick the pinpoint. Second destination point. Snap on. Pick point 2. Enter once and select yes to scale objects. ZE to zoom extents. The image is correctly oriented and scaled in the drawing. When plotting, the image should be faded or ghosted so that the drawing objects can easily be seen. For an example of the plotted image without fading, Control P, what to plot, extents, fit to paper, preview. It is difficult to see the drafted point and label. Close preview. Close plot. Set the image fade value. Pick the image frame. In the image contextual state ribbon, adjust the fade value to 50 or as desired. Enter. For an example of the plotted image with fading, Control P, what to plot, extents, fit to paper, preview. The drafted point and labels are easily seen. Close preview. Close plot dialog box. When drafting line work on the drawing, fade is generally set to 0. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.